fresh with gazelles on, right below the Kango. Belt buckle with my name, red and black shell toe. Old school Chevy riding in it like a tank. Girls faint every time they see the candy color paint. I'm gangsta leaning, the slightest breeze guilty. Stay clean, but every dollar in my pocket filthy. Follow the leader, walk this way. You gotta have game just to talk this way. And ain't no half stepping, my crew get fresh. I got big dollars, other crews get less. Yo, hey yo, my page is going bonkers. I get props from Cali to Yonkers. Fresh gold chain, crisp MJ jersey. Tell you like it's Wayne's World, you not worthy. Y'all know what time this is. Let's take it back to '88 and get busy. Come on.
Feeling kinda old school, how about you? If you feeling how I'm feeling, this is what you do. Throw it up, 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 throw it up. Hey, I'm feeling kinda old school, how about you? If you feeling how I'm feeling, this is what you do. You throw it up, 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 throw it up. Hey,
come on. I stay cooler than the Chi-Town breeze, but hyper like I'm at the World Cup overseas. Do rag for waves with me, gotta stay fresh. I never leave home without it like American Express. No stress, no strain, no drama. Never let you boys get and ship my armor. Looking at my Gucci, it's about that time to hit you with a stupid funky fresh dope rhyme. Y'all can't kick it like I do. Flavor like Sunkiss, you stiffer than the statue. Can I have your attention and keep it like it was ColecoVision? To show mad love is the mission and get negativity out of your system. Y'all know what time it is. Let's take it back to '88 and get busy. Come on.
I'm feeling kinda old school, how about you? If you're feeling how I'm feeling, this is what you do.